Let's talk about the recently launched OPPO smartphone Reno 12 with futuristic fluid design. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED 3D curved display, 6.7 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 93.2% screen to body ratio, approximately 394 ppi pixel density, 1200 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10 plus color quality support, and with Corning Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel Sony LYT600 sensor main wide-angle camera with optical image stabilization support, along with the 8 megapixel Sony IMX355 sensor ultra-wide-angle camera, and with 2 megapixel macro camera. For selfies it has 32 megapixel wide-angle front camera, video recording, maximum 4K at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, and the company provides 2 major Android upgrades and 3 years of security updates, based on exclusive optimized version of ColorOS 14.1 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.5 GHz quad-core Cortex-A78 plus 2 GHz quad-core Cortex-A55. Powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7300 energy chipset, paired with Mali G610MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB, 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8 GB, 12 GB extended RAM, and 256 GB. 512 GB of UFS 3.1 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB of micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.4 by 74.1 by 7.57 mm, and it weighs around 177 grams, and the color options matte brown, sunset pink, astro silver colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with SuperVOOC 80-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM, 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, Type-C headphone jack, with stereo speakers support, USB Type-C charging port, infrared remote control. The phones have AI-based features like AI Clear Face, which enhances facial contour, hair and eyebrows. OPPO also updated the AI Eraser for text and speech. There is the AI Toolbox consisting of AI Write, AI Speak and AI Summary, which leverage Google's Gemini model. The recording app has an AI recording summary feature that creates text summaries and organizes them into notes that highlight to-do lists, times, locations and other key info. IP64 dust and water resistant, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The OPPO Reno 12 has been priced in Pakistan for 12 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 159,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this OPPO Reno 12 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.